Dozens of wildfires have scorched thousands of acres across northern Spain and claimed at least one life. More than 80 fires have broken out in Cantabria in the past week. In neighboring Asturias, at least 30 fires are still raging, with strong winds adding to the challenge for firefighters. A pilot was killed when his helicopter came down in the high winds. Residents in one town in the Basque region who were evacuated overnight Sunday have been allowed to return, but the crisis elsewhere is far from over, with unusually dry weather helping to spread the flames across the region.